fairly smart. Got a nice edge to it. The new Lexus NX. That's a huge grille. Puzzle-like control system. Honda CR-V, sportier, lower front bumper here.
What if we told you that most SUVs are designed to fail long before you think they should? In a world full of marketing hype and shiny promises, only 8 SUVs have proven they can truly stand the test of time. Which ones make the cut? And why do so many others fall short? Stick around as we reveal the surprising truth behind the most reliable SUVs you can buy in 2025. Number 1. Subaru Forester. What sets the Subaru Forester apart in a market crowded with SUVs shouting about tech and luxury? It's not its flashiness or bold claims. It's the quiet assurance that this SUV will just keep going. The Forester is built with durability at its core, earning it a spot at the top of reliability rankings year after year. Most SUVs might promise cutting-edge features, but they often fail where it counts. Longevity. The Forester's tried and tested symmetrical all-wheel drive isn't just for show. It provides superior balance and grip, ensuring consistent performance in rain, snow, or rough conditions. Add to that its high resale value, showing that even older models retain the confidence of buyers. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it among the strongest performers in reliability, supporting its reputation for stress-free maintenance. With a lifespan that often exceeds 200,000 miles, the Forester is a dependable companion for years, proof that simplicity doesn't mean sacrificing substance. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is easily one of the most recognized SUVs on the road, but does its popularity really mean it's as dependable as everyone assumes? Its reputation might be strong, but skeptics often ask whether it's more about hype than actual performance. The reality? The RAV4 consistently earns its spot as one of the most reliable SUVs available. This reliability starts with its variety of engine options. Whether you go for the traditional gasoline engine or the innovative hybrid variant, both deliver proven efficiency and endurance. The hybrid, in particular, shines with excellent fuel economy and minimal mechanical issues over time, a significant reason it ranks highly in surveys like Consumer Reports' reliability ratings. Add to that its low maintenance costs, making it a practical choice for everyday drivers. It's more than just numbers, though. The RAV4's reputation comes from years of dependable performance, solidifying its place in households everywhere. Reliability can truly be generational. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. What do you get when you combine rugged dependability with everyday practicality? The Subaru Crosstrek answers that question effortlessly. It's the rare SUV that feels just as comfortable zipping around city streets as it does tackling remote trails. But does it truly live up to its dual-purpose design? The Crosstrek's high ground clearance and durable construction give it an edge on any terrain, whether you're navigating unpaved back roads or pothole-filled urban neighborhoods. Unlike many SUVs that promise versatility but deliver compromises, the Crosstrek has proven its reliability across multiple Consumer Reports rankings. Its drivetrain, built for both efficiency and traction, ensures smooth handling whether conditions are wet or dry. What seals the deal is its low running costs. The Crosstrek isn't just reliable, it's also surprisingly affordable to maintain over the years, giving you confidence for the long haul. But reliability doesn't always mean ruggedness. For those craving refinement, our next SUV takes a slightly different route. Number 4. Mazda CX5. The Mazda CX5 immediately catches your eye with its sleek, refined design, but what lies beneath the surface? Stylish SUVs often prioritize form over function, leading to compromises in durability. Fortunately, the CX5 proves that good looks and reliability can go hand in hand. Its build quality stands out as a key factor. From the durable materials used in its construction to the attention to detail in manufacturing, the CX5 is built to last. In reliability studies, it consistently earns high rankings, cementing its place among the most dependable SUVs in its class. Adding to its appeal are its top-tier safety scores, providing not only peace of mind, but also evidence of Mazda's commitment to both longevity and security. When you combine its impressive reliability, strong safety systems, and the comfort it delivers on every drive, the CX5 manages to strike a rare balance of style and substance that few competitors achieve. Number 5. Lexus UX. Luxury and reliability don't always go hand in hand, but the Lexus UX proves that a premium subcompact SUV can defy expectations. It offers the kind of meticulous craftsmanship that Lexus is known for, ensuring this model isn't just about style. It's about lasting performance. Smaller luxury SUVs are often doubted when it comes to durability, yet the UX holds its ground. Its hybrid system stands out for its seamless performance and impressive efficiency, making it a practical choice in addition to being a luxury one. Lexus has long been a leader in reliability, and the UX benefits from that legacy. Consistently high ratings in long-term dependability surveys reinforce its status as a trustworthy vehicle. Beyond delivering reliability, the UX combines premium materials and thoughtful design, offering drivers comfort and refinement with peace of mind. If efficiency and dependability in a compact package sound perfect, this SUV is hard to overlook. Number 6. Lexus NX Hybrid. The Lexus NX Hybrid is more than just another luxury SUV. It's a benchmark for how hybrid vehicles can excel in both performance and reliability. While hybrids are often perceived as complicated machines susceptible to costly issues, the NX Hybrid challenges that narrative. Lexus has perfected its hybrid technology over decades, and the NX Hybrid is a prime example of this mastery. Equipped with a cutting-edge hybrid system, it delivers smooth transitions between electric and gas power, ensuring an efficient yet refined driving experience. Its reliability scores back it up, consistently ranking high among both hybrids and luxury SUVs. Lexus's attention to detail, from durable components to advanced engineering, ensures it maintains its performance over the long term. This combination of fuel efficiency and dependability makes the NX Hybrid less of a gamble and more of a safe bet for hybrid buyers. Number 7. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has been a household name for years, but what exactly keeps it ahead of the competition? It's not just a favorite because of familiarity. It's earned its reputation by delivering consistent reliability across multiple generations. While other SUVs come and go, the CR-V stays remarkably steady, proving its worth to drivers year after year. One standout feature is its hybrid option, which not only boosts fuel efficiency, but also maintains Honda's tradition of dependable engineering. Alongside that is an interior designed with families in mind, offering exceptional space for passengers and cargo alike, all while maintaining a practical, user-friendly layout. Honda's long track record of durability reinforces the confidence drivers have in the CR-V, making it a high-ranking option in reliability surveys. Number 8. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander sits comfortably at the top of the midsize SUV category, but does its reputation match reality? Larger SUVs often face challenges with durability and long-term value, yet the Highlander consistently proves skeptics wrong. Its robust construction is the foundation of its reliability, delivering a lifespan of nearly 14 years, according to IC Cars. Whether you opt for the gas-powered model or the hybrid, you're making a choice designed for endurance. The hybrid version adds enhanced fuel efficiency to its list of strengths, offering an annual ownership cost of just $3,773, below the segment average. And while its hybrid powertrain prioritizes economy, it still maintains the Highlander's signature comfort and practicality. With seating for up to 8 passengers, advanced safety tech, and a rare ability to balance size and dependability, the Highlander is purpose-built for families needing space without compromising reliability. So, what does this tell us about the most dependable SUVs you can buy? In a market flooded with flashy marketing, it's critical to prioritize data over hype. Independent studies, like those from Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, cut through the noise, highlighting vehicles built to last. Want to explore safety or vehicle value next? Stay tuned for what's coming up.